Tagaytay Ridge. It is a highland area in Tagaytay where People Park in the Sky is located. It is a rest house of former Philippines President Ferdinand Marcos. It offers a majestic view of the smallest volcano in the Philippines, Taal Volcano. Taal Volcano. It is the astonishing volcano straddling between Cavite and Batangas. It is situated within Taal Lake, which is within Taal Volcano that holds Taal Crater Lake inside it. Imus Cathedral. This tourist destination is also known as the Cathedral of Our Lady of Pilar. Its ceiling structures and precious relics are proof of its historic significance. It is a perfect spot in Cavite, especially when it is October 12, where locals celebrate festas for their patron saint. Regatta Festival. It is a festival comprised of games, street dancing, photo exhibit, trade fair, concert, and water splashing in celebration of Saint John the Baptist. This is also known as the Water Festival. Sorteo Festival. It is a local festival held every 3 years to relive the old practice of distributing agricultural lots to deserving farmers through raffle draw. Pahimis Festival. This festival is held as a way of thanksgiving for abundant harvest of coffee. Free-flowing drinking of coffee is offered to everybody during the occasion.
Pagsanjan Falls. Pagsanjan Falls, also known as Cavinti Falls, the local name is Magdafio Falls, is one of the most famous waterfalls in the Philippines. The three-drop waterfalls is reached by a river trough on Dugat Canao, known locally as Shooting the Red Beds. Mount Makiling. Mount Makiling or Mount Makiling is an inactive stratovolcano located in the province of Laguna in Batangas on the island of Luzon, Philippines. The mountain rises to an elevation of 1,090 meters above mean sea level and is the highest feature of the Laguna Volcanic Field. Enchanted Kingdom is a theme park in the Philippines. It is located in Santa Rosa, Laguna and has a land area of 25 hectares. The park is managed and operated by Enchanted Kingdom Incorporation. It is a member of International Association of Amusement Park and Attraction. The Chinelas Festival is the town's famous for its shoe and slippers industry. The festival will feature the agricultural and industrial product of the town as well as the town's historical and cultural themes. The Peña Festival. Peña Festival started in 2003 as the highlight in the celebration of the town fiesta. The Fest of San Isidro Labrador festivities include trade fair exhibit, culinary contest, search for Binibining Kaluan, round food parade, and Madriga street dancing. The Itik Festival. Itik or the native duck is the star of many of our exotic dish. The duck farming culture is particularly prominent in Victoria, Laguna. Victoria, Laguna is the Itik capital of the country and host of an annual Itik Festival for its founding anniversary.
This beach is located in Tingloy, which is the only island municipality in Batangas. It is within a fish-shaped main island called Marikaban. It offers a curl of powdery and barely disturbed paradise. There is hardly any man-made structure in the area. Alatagan Mangrove Forest Conservation Park. So this site is locally known as Angpulo, which is a home to about 20 species of mangroves, a wide variety of shellfish, crustaceans, and other marine life. It also plays host to abundant species of birds, many of which nest and stay in the area to feed in the vicinity of Verde Island Passage. This site is the center of marine biodiversity in Batangas because it has the greatest concentration of marine species in the Indo-Malay Philippine Archipelago. The Tapusan Festival. This is celebrated to honor the Holy Cross by showcasing parades with floats garlanded with flowers including the image of Virgin Mary all over the town of Alitagtag. And lastly, we have Tinapay Festival. This is celebrated in Cuenca, which is considered the bakers of Batangas. It is held annually from February 7 to 13 in honor of the patron saint of Cuenca, Our Lady of Peace, and a good cage as things.
Daranak Falls. Nestled calmly at the foot of the Tanay Mountains, preserved with the natural vegetation, complemented with enchanting waterfalls, ponds, and rivers cascading through elaborate tropical trees and plants. This 14-meter-high falls is truly a refreshing location. Petroglyphs. Angono petroglyphs are petroglyphs carved into a rock wall in Angono, Rizal, Philippines. It consists of 127 human and animal figures engraved on the rock wall, probably carved during the late Neolithic or before 2000 BC. They are the oldest known work of art in the Philippines. Pamitinan Cave is a limestone cave in the foothills of the Sierra Madre mountain range near Wawa Dam in Rizal in the Philippines. It is located in the Pamitinan Protected Landscape in the barangay of San Rafael, municipality of Rodriguez. The cave was formerly known as the Cave of Bernardo Carpio. Subok Festival. A group of men, after feasting and overnight meditation, gather around the church to wait for the flower deck Coroza of Santo Sepulcre, a wooden statue of dead Christ. They rush forward to insert various objects in the folds of the robes, under the feet, in the hollows of the hands.
Of San Clemente, on the 22nd of November each year, the entire fishing town of the Agono Rizal celebrate the San Clemente Festival in honor of their patron of the same name. The people of this town highly revere San Clemente as their protector and supplier of the food and business. Balisan Island is one of the most luxurious island resort in the Philippines, open only to its member. It is a 500-hectare island paradise with a 7.3 kilometers long stretch of pristine white sand beaches. Activities include horseback riding, bird watching, kayaking, paddle boating, sailing, scuba diving, and surfing. This festival, the houses are all decorated with a native payas called kiping, suman, fruit and vegetables, rice grains and stock, rare flowers and ferns, native lanterns, and even lechon. Agawan Festival. This is celebrated in honor of San Isidro de Labrador, the patron saint of the laborers. During the celebration, the best of their town crops and hung on the windows, walls, arenas, and young bamboo trees called bagakays. As soon as the procession of the patron saint passes a decorated house, people are allowed to get its crop decor.